Today we study the PGP protocols. PGP stand for the Pretty Good Privacy, which is the protocol which is developed for the email security. PGP is the an application layer protocols. So the content we will study: security service achieved by the PGP protocols, discussion of the PGP protocol for email security at the sender side, similarly discussion at the receiver sides. So PGP was protocol which was invented in 1991 by Philip Zimmermann to provide all four aspects of the security, that are privacy, integrity, authentication and non-repudiation in the sending of the emails. PGP use the digital signature to provide the integrity, authentication and the non-reputations. It use a combination of secret key and a public key encryption to provide the privacy. Specifically, it uses one hash functions, one secret key and two private public key pairs. So PGP functioning of the PGP protocol at the sender side. So we are here assuming that Alice is one sender which will generate a email. So Alice will generate a one emails. So first we can hash the email to produce the signed digest. For hashing we can use either the MD5 algorithms or we are using the SHA-1 algorithms. Then we can encrypt the digest by the private key of the Alice to generate the digital signature or the signed digest. So what we have a signed digest and we have a plain text email. Then the Alice will generate a one secret key with the use of any of the session key algorithms such as the Diffie-Hellman, Needham-Schroeder or the KDC. So it will generate a one secret key. That secret key is used to encrypt the email as well as the signed digest. Then we are assuming that we are sending the email to the Bob. So we can encrypt the private key, secret key with the Bob public key. So what we are sending? We are sending the encrypted secret key and encrypted message plus and the signed digest. At the receiver side, receiver will receive the encrypted secret key. So first of all, Bob is the receiver which will use their private key to find the secret key. So here we are finding the one-time secret key. So that secret key we will use for the decryptions. We are decrypting the message as well as the signed digest. Then what we have? We have the signed digest as well as the emails. Now what we will do? We can use the again hash function to generate the digest, and we also use the decryption function, and we will use the public key of the Alice to generate the digest, and then we will compare both the digest. If both the digest are same, it means we have securely sent the email, and we will achieve all the four aspects of the security, that are the integrity, privacy, authentication and the non-reputations. Thank you. For this lecture we will follow the book TCP/IP Protocol Suite by the Frozen.